Karibu sana, so that we're reminded of all our partners, all our sponsors. It was a very good breakfast. And to the EBK as and sponsors, we don't take for granted. Sika, you've been with us, and IEK. Please, to all our partners, it is very important because we're going to be circulating that where they live. I want to request that they...
mifango yothe irahariririo professions ciothe iria ciagio no gukorwo cikihusishwo thiini wa mitaratara iyo igakorwo itira involve na njira njega na thiini wa undu ucio nikio turona ni kurathi gukagia na flooding ni turathi tugakora nyumba ni ciakirwo barabara-ini cia mai ni turakora nyumba ni itengeririo igiakwo itiraheo enough curing period ire yagireire na bado tugakora thiini wa mitaratara iria ikiritwo ya approval ni iraga kurumirirwo uria yagireire mundu ni etirie approval ya gwaka nyumba ya gorofa 4 agaka nyumba ya gorofa 8 uguo ni kuga structural design ya nyumba yo kuringana uria engineer misorete ndina rumirirwo uria kwagireire tondu agikorwo yagio no gukorwo ya gukua gorofa 8 ni kuga ona muhariririe wa structural soundness wagio no gukorwo wi tofauti na riria irahariririo ya gorofa 4 uguo no tuhoe andu aria othe me raini yo kuma professional practice mwena wa engineering tuke kwi mwena wa approval tuke kwi mwena wa contractor andu acio othe ni wega makorwo makirumirira mitaratara iria yagireire